A core feature of MR9, the Form Manager, serves as a centralized repository for agency-specific form templates. This module enables users to configure and store various form types, including subpoenas, affidavits, and custodian letters, ensuring compliance with each agency's institutional standards and requirements. Leveraging robust form controls with a high level of customization, the Form Manager facilitates the seamless import and lifecycle management of templates within a unified, intuitive library. To launch form templates, go to Tools, Form Templates. Form types or categories are parked along the left. Many form types are further partitioned into subfolders or form groups for simplified management. Click the plus sign to expand the form type and display its subfolders, if available. Templates stored in each form type or its corresponding subfolders will be displayed on the right in the results pane. For example, I can expand Notices and then select State, and all of my State Notices forms will appear to the right. The main module actions can be found in the top of the function. To create a new form template from scratch, click New. In order to create a new form, first select the appropriate form type and form group if applicable from the left-hand navigation pane. The system will preemptively place the new form to the directory currently selected. Refresh will reload the results grid and reflect any organizational changes you've made to the current folder. Help directs you to the Form Templates User Guide article for additional guidance on how to use the function. Users can access an existing form through two primary methods within Form Templates, View Mode and Edit Mode. For View Mode, click the form name, which opens the form in a new Form Viewer Editor tab in View Mode, indicated in the top left corner. In this read-only state, users may review the content but cannot commit changes. To modify the form, click the Edit button. The status indicator in the top left will update to Edit Mode, thereby allowing users to issue changes to the form as needed. Alternatively, in the Form Templates function, click on the Actions button to the left of the form name. View opens the form in a new tab in read-only view mode. Edit opens the form directly in Edit Mode Form Editor, bypassing the initial review steps and allowing you for immediate modification. The top of the form editor displays the form type, the form group, and form name. For existing form templates, the form type field is locked and cannot be modified. For new forms, this field will remain enabled until the form is saved. For form groups, this field represents the subfolder of the form type that the form is saved under. Note that for existing forms, the form group can be changed, but only to another group under the same form type. The form name can be changed at any time. The form editor utilizes a menu ribbon, similar to those found in other standard word processors. The File tab is for facilitating file handling, including Import, which imports local file upload, Export, saving in internal formats, and printing the form. The Home tab contains standard formatting tools for typography, paragraph styles, and alignment. The Insert tab allows the integration of objects such as tables, images, and hyperlinks. Page layout controls document geometry, including page setup, column breaks, backgrounds, and frames. The View tab provides workspace customization options to optimize the editing environment. And Data Fields oversees merge field integration and management. When pasting content from external sources, first click on the Use Local Clipboard button found under the Home tab. This security feature serves as a guardrail to prevent inadvertent or unintended insertion of background code that would otherwise compromise the templates. To insert a merge data field, place the cursor at the desired insertion point on the form, and then click Insert Data Field, and select from the available options. To remove a merge data field, highlight the target field, then select the Delete field from the Data Fields menu, or right-click on the highlighted field and select Delete Field. The form editor includes a built-in autosave feature to prevent data loss. For manual saves, use the following options. Save, Save and Edit commits changes while keeping the editor active for additional changes, and Save and Close commits changes and terminates the editor. The Delete button permanently removes the template from the Form Templates library, so use caution as this action cannot be undone. More Copy New duplicates the current form to facilitate the creation of template variants. When using Copy and New to save a form to a different form type, verify all merge fields before saving, because data source vary by form type. Merge fields require second-level review and testing to ensure functionality.